Does shopping for clothes make you want to pull your hair out?
Pull your hair out?
Have you ever left the dressing room feeling like because nothing fits right or looks good?
The thing is, you might be self-conscious about your arms or your waistline.
We all have a spot we'd rather not highlight. And that's okay.
Look, none of us has a perfect body.
We know exactly how you feel, and we've got you covered.
We know your shopping struggle, and we built Crystal Boutique around solving it.
Here's the thing. Shopping at Crystal Boutique isn't like shopping anywhere else.
Together, we have over 126 years of expertise making women look and feel fabulous.
Picture this. The right outfit, the right fit, and enjoying the process. What if shopping could be exciting again? We continually curate an excellent collection of high-end garments from all around the world.
Seriously, at the end of the day, we all just want to look amazing at that special event.
So come as you are. Your arms, your waist, your shape, and we'll prove that you are stunning. We'll help you see you're fabulous. And the world will see it too.